Welcome back to Study Labs, and in the previous video we had covered our paragraph block, and in this particular video we are going to cover our style block. So if you hover about this particular arrow here, you can get the shortcut key for this: Alt plus Control plus Shift plus S, right? That is the control, and if I press Alt, Control, Shift and S, I will get this panel, right? So if you see here subtitle and emphasis and intense and strong, you will find that here also emphasis and strong and quote and intense quote, right? All those are available here also, and if you want you can modify them here from modify, right? So this is the panel. We will see this in a little bit, but what is the benefit of using a style? Suppose you have 10 different documents and you want to apply a particular type of style, like you want to change it to underline, or you want to change the whole document in italic, or you want a particular type of font into it, or you want a particular size into it, and you want this in all of your documents, right? In that particular case, you can create your style and save it, and you can use that style in all your document, and you don't have to use or you don't have to modify each document separately. That is the main benefit of style. There are various styles, let's see them. The default or predefined styles, you can see the changes in the background. Like this particular style has the font as Arial, now you can see that, and the size is 24, and this is underlined also and italic also, and the color is blue. So this is a particular type of style, and this style is called as no spacing, so there is no space between the text, and this is heading 1, right? So it has a different kind of font and size, and the spacing between lines are different, and there are various other, like this particular you can see that this particular style has a bottom border, right? So all these styles are different in nature, and if you want to create your own style, you can click on this save selection as a new quick style, right? And you have to put a name. You can write the name as new style English, right? And if you click on modify, now you can see that you can change the parameters, like a style type. You want it for paragraph or for character or for tables or list. If you see if you select table, the style will be applied on the table, right? Like table grid 5, there are various options available what you want to apply. Table professional, right? And if you want to apply the formatting to whole table, or just for the first column or last column, or even banded column, or even banded rows, you can select that, right? Or if you want to apply the settings or the style to the whole table, you can select whole table. Then you can change the text if you want it in Algerian, or if you want it in Arial Unicode MS. You can change the shape and size, right? And if you want the text as bold, you can put whatever style you want in your document, and it will be saved. It will get a separate name and it will be there, right? So whatever, if you want a theme color like yellow, you can select it. And now there is an option only in this document. What you want to do, you want to apply this new style English style only in this document, or you want it in every other document you will make. So if you select this option, new documents, based on this template, you can get this particular style or setting in every other documents, right? So if you select this only in this document, this style will get selected. We don't have a table right now, so it is not, you cannot see the changes here. But if you go here into this, you can see it will be available here if it is submitted. Okay, it's not here. Let's see here. So I guess we have to I guess I made a mistake. I hadn't saved it, so let's save it, new style English, right? And then go to modify, and then okay, let's save it by clicking on OK. And now you can see that it is saved, new style English. You have to save it right? I forgot to save previously, so now it is available, new style English, and if you click on this, it will be available in this particular document. If I made the setting to save it for all of my document, it will be available in upcoming documents also, but right now I only saved it for this particular one. And if you want to modify it, you can again go to modify section and you can modify your settings, right? Then there is a shortcut, and if you want to change not every parameter, or you don't want a predefined style, you can go to individual styling, like distinctive, elegant, fancy. You can see the changes: formal, manuscript, modern, simple, traditional, right? So you can get the styles here. And if you want to get a color, you can select a particular type of color. You can also create new theme color. You can write the name as custom English, right? And then you can change the background, like gray, you can do it background. The text background, you can change it to blue, right? Then background color can be changed it to white. It is changed in white. You can change this particular one to white also, or a little bit of gray, so it is changed. Hyperlink, we will see in upcoming videos. You can change the color of the hyperlink, and it is changed here, hyperlink. So you can you create your new theme colors also, and you can save it. And if you go to colors, you can see here this one is available, custom English, right? So these are the shortcuts, and if you want to change the font, you can also change the font also, right? So these options are available. Basically, what is the major benefit? You can save, if you are using a particular thing or a particular setting, like you want your text in bold and it underlined and italic, and you are using it quite often, right? Too many times you are using it, you can create your style, and there are available styles, predefined styles. You can also use them, right? So that's all for this particular video. Meet you in the next. Thanks.